Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you so much for joining again. Today I'm sharing with you a wonderful posture, Ardha Matsyendrasana, Half Spinal Twist. It's a wonderful posture where I can share you both sides at the same time. So have a look. I'm sitting on my buttocks, I extend my legs, I push the heels forward, toes towards the face. Now I bend the left knee, bring the left foot over the right on the outside, quite close towards the ankle. Really try to sit straight on both buttocks. Foot comes not too close towards the hips. Now I'm bringing my left arm back as a little support. I extend my right arm really forward. I try to bring my palm around from the outside and then catch the ankle. You can see there's a strong lever now. Try to grab further around towards the ankle. Also the chin will work. And then I use the left arm to opening the chest, to level the shoulders. Bring the palm further back. And now I'm in Ardha Matsyendrasana, Half Spinal Twist. I try to look over the shoulder. I use the eyes. Head and spine will follow. Breathe. Inhale, lengthening. Exhale, twist a bit further. Hold here for a moment and then bring the head forward, back and relax. Om. Now the more advanced variation. I'm sitting on the heels. I'm bringing my buttocks on the right side. I bring my left foot over on the outside of the right knee. Same here, I try to sit straight on both buttocks. I bring the right arm forward. I try to bring my palm around, catch the ankle. Now I'm using my left arm, bring it back. There's slightly support to sit straight. Now I'm twisting. I'm looking over the left shoulder. Try to have the chin slightly tucked in. I inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhale, look a bit further around. Very good for the digestive system. To get out, bring my head forward, followed by the spine. And now as a counter stretch, I bend both knees, bring the knees very close into the chest. Rub the arms around and look up. Bring my chin towards the ceiling and bring my forehead down towards the knees. Come back up and down. Come back to the center. Look to the right. Look to the left. Come back to the center. Bring my right ear down. Bring my left ear down. Come back to the center. And I finished my practice. I hope to see you again. Hari Om Tat Sat. If you have any questions, concerns, or any feedback, please leave it below in the comments. Hari Om Tat Sat. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.